Hello there! Let's learn how to create a Deel integration with Bindbee. First, log into your Deel account. Enter your credentials. Then click on Login. Enter your two-factor authentication code. Then click on Continue. Once you've logged in, go to More, then select Developer. Now go to Apps section. Now click on Create an App. Now enter the details of your app. As an example, let's name our app Pearson Test App. Now enter the redirect URL, add a description and logo, then click on Create. Now, the auth URL, API key, and secret have been generated. Save these details to your local machine securely for future reference. Now, let's go to the Bindbee dashboard. Click on the Connectors tab on the left pane, then click on Create Connector. Now enter the organization name, select HRIS in category, and assign a unique ID to the connector. Now click on Next, then select Deel in the integrations list, and click on Create Link. Next, open the magic link by clicking on Open Link. Here you can see a list of all the data models flowing in the connector. Click on Allow and Continue. Select I want to authenticate through Deel's website as the authentication method. Here you will need to enter the credentials generated on the Deel dashboard. Now head over to your Deel dashboard. Copy the authorization URL and paste in the field. Similarly, copy the key and paste it in the client ID. Copy the secret and paste it in the field. Now click on Next. You will be redirected to the Deel authorization page. Click on Allow. You can see that the connection has been successfully established. And this is how you connect to Deel using Bindbee.